Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all the Dallas Cowboys fans out there. If you're looking to add a touch of team spirit to your home decor, especially for wreaths, this is the perfect product for you. We're talking about the generic Dallas Ribbon, a 1.5-inch wide, 15-foot satin spool in white, that will definitely make your wreath stand out. This officially licensed ribbon is perfect for showing off your Dallas Cowboys pride. Whether you're making a wreath for your front door, adding it to a party setup, or using it for other craft projects, this ribbon has got you covered. Its satin fabric ensures a smooth and shiny texture, giving your creations a premium look. Not to mention, it's 100% satin, so it's soft yet durable, making it great for both indoor and outdoor use. Made in the United States and licensed by Offray, a leading name in ribbons, this spool of ribbon comes with 15 feet of material. It's just the right amount for wreaths, bows, or any craft project you might be working on. The white color provides a clean, classic look that can easily blend with other colors and decorations. It's versatile and works well for not just wreaths, but for a range of celebrations and team pride displays. Now, you're probably wondering if this ribbon is easy to work with, and I can tell you, it absolutely is. The 1.5-inch width gives you enough flexibility for various designs, and the spool ensures that you get just the right amount of ribbon without running out halfway through your project. It's also a great addition for parties, tailgates, and other events where you want to show off your Cowboys' pride and style. One of the great things about this ribbon is that it's an officially licensed product, which means you're getting a genuine Dallas Cowboys item. Plus, it's made in the USA, supporting local craftsmanship while delivering a high-quality product. If you're planning on crafting or decorating for any Dallas Cowboys-themed event, this ribbon is a must-have. It's affordable, practical, and will certainly add a personal touch to any project. So, if you're looking for the best Dallas Cowboys ribbon for wreaths or other crafts, don't miss out on this 1.5-inch wide, 15-foot satin spool. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more great products right here on Product Critique.